In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from eBay. If you've recently made a sale on eBay and you want to check whether your money is available to withdraw, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main page, move your cursor over the My eBay section near the top of the screen. You don't need to click right away if a menu appears when you hover. This area is where eBay groups together the most important parts of your account, including orders, selling activity, and payments. From that menu, click on Payments. This will take you to the part of your account where eBay manages your seller funds. If you've sold items through eBay, this is the section where you'll be able to review your available balance and see what money has been processed. Once the Payments page opens, you should see your balance. This is the amount connected to what you've sold, and it helps you understand whether funds are currently available in your account. Depending on your account status or recent activity, eBay may show available funds, processing funds, or other payment details. The key thing here is to look for the balance area. If there is no balance showing, that usually means you have not sold an item yet, or your funds are not currently available. So if you were expecting a payout and you don't see money there, it's a good idea to double check whether the item has been sold and whether the payment has finished processing. This can help avoid confusion before you try to withdraw anything. If you do see a balance, the next step is to click the arrow next to the balance. This opens the relevant option tied to that available amount and lets you continue with the withdrawal related action from within the payments area. As a quick tip, always review the amount carefully before continuing, especially if you sell multiple items and want to keep track of what has already been paid out versus what is still pending. That way, you'll have a clearer understanding of your earnings inside eBay. And that's how to withdraw money from eBay by accessing your payment section and checking your available balance.